Today we are doing a Q&A, and guess who I have here with me?
My Sabine.
Sister. Yeah. So we decided to do this very spontaneous. So we quickly wrote down some questions, and we hope you like it. So we have about 7 questions, and we would like to know what Sabine thinks about microlocs. So we are going to find out, and I'll be blending in some pictures depending on which question follows, so that you would have an idea of what she's talking about. Okay. So yeah, welcome to the channel, Sabine.
Thank you for having me, guys. I have watched all her videos, and I see that most of her videos she mentions me in the video. So yeah,
finally she's here.
Thank you for having me, guys.
So as you can see, she has microlocs, and I think we can pick her brain today and know something about how her mindset is when it comes to microlocs. So your first question, and I wrote down some notes.
Yeah.
When did you start your microlocs?
So I started my microlocs 2017, June, 10th June. I know this date really well. Yeah, it's like my second birthday.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. So it's been 7 years since I have locked my hair.
Yeah.
And I'm just still loving the process, trusting the process, and that's when I started my locks.
Yeah, so for those of you who are new on this channel, we both started our locks during the same time. It's just that I cut mine and I'm on my second journey, but she stuck to hers, so like I'm holding on to her for dear life and see her as my role model, so that I would also keep going.
Oh, I'm a role model.
Yes, definitely. So we have question number 2 for you. What encouraged you to start your microlocs? Because I know that getting into the natural hair journey itself is, it's not easy. And then what about microlocs? Like, what encouraged you?
So I was encouraged by my sister.
As if I didn't know.
Yeah, that was 7 years ago. Yeah. She got her locked done. And no, before that, she called me and said, Sabi, let's get our hair locked.
Exactly.
And then I was like, oh no, I'm not ready to lock my hair because of the perception people have in Ghana when you are locked. So I was still afraid to get my hair locked because I didn't want people to see me as that. And I was also in the corporate world, so that really was hard for me. But then I saw that she had still went ahead to do it, and she had grew, so her edges grew.
Yeah, they grew out.
Yeah. And I saw that she sent me a picture, and I was like, oh no, I'm getting my hair locked because I think this method is going to make my edges grow. I have been buying things to grow my edges when I was loose natural. So when I saw that, it really encouraged me to take the step to get my hair locked.
So that was your encouragement.
Yeah.
Cool. Amazing. So it's not like I don't know, but there are so many factors that play in, because as she already mentioned, it wasn't the environment that you would, flourish in deciding to get microlocs. So So that takes me to the next question, which is, what do you think microlocs are professional? Because the perception and what people judge you for and stuff like that, and you were in a corporate environment, so I know asking such a question shouldn't be in 2024, by the way the year is ending, but but people still think like this. So I want to put that question out there, and for somebody who worked in that environment, she can tell us what she thinks.
Yeah, I think locks are professional. You can rock your locks everywhere you are, wherever position you are in. You can rock your locks, and it's more personal than, let me say, how your hair looks like. So I worked in corporate with my locks. When I first started, my hair was very short, and I still sat in the front desk.
Exactly. So you were representing
the company.
Wow.
And people will walk in and compliment my hair. Others will walk in and not say anything, but I got many compliments from young ladies and everybody likes my hair. But I got also negative comments from people that I work with who didn't like my hairstyle and was saying all sorts of bad comments that my locks are not beautiful, one thing, and also
it doesn't suit
it doesn't suit me.
Why would a young girl like you get locks? Like it was,
and the color was also not nice, because then I had blonde my ends before I locked my hair.
Okay, so you had this blondish,
really,
so
it was
I'll
really
blend
nice.
in a picture how it looked
was
like.
really nice.
So talking about professional life and stuff, you are now here in Germany permanent, and so I think she has something installed for you guys. Anyone who is interested, she is going to tell you more about it.
So I'm going to share some few tips and tricks on how to move to Germany on my channel. I have done some pre-videos which I will be sharing on my channel. My channel used to be a vlog channel. It will still be in between vlogs and also sit-down videos. And I will share some tips for the young ladies, for the old ladies, because this program is for everyone.
Yes,
everyone can do it. So you just have to be bench on my channel and wait for this information.
Okay.
And my sister is also going to share there.
I'm going to link everything. I'm going to link her social media handles so that you can follow her and check her out. Let's get back to the microlocs, right? So when you were in Ghana, you were installing people's locks, and you did so many installations, I don't think you can even count anymore.
No.
What really makes you see that somebody is ready for microlocs?
I think you would know by when the person calls you and say, Sabine, I'm ready to get my hair locked.
And I want it now.
I want it now. When can we book an appointment? I want to get my hair locked, because I tried convincing some of my friends before to get their hair locked. It was not successful. They came by themselves to decide that they want to get their hair locked. And also, like, from my sister told me about sister locks. I said, oh no, I'm not ready. But I got convinced when I saw that she had done hers and it was really looking nice. So, and I know that a lot of people have come to me to say that I motivated them to get their hair locked and stuff like that. But so I think it's just you wearing your hair out,
being yourself, being happy.
You are right. You are convincing people in the right way.
So now you should kind of put ourselves out there as microlockers. I also encourage lots of you who have started your locks, start a YouTube channel and document your journey, or be on any social media platform and document, because that's the only way you're going to get more people to join this community. And then if we are so powerful, there are so many things that will come out for us, like products, and situations would change. There will be no more questions about what this is. There'll be so much knowledge and education out there for microlocs that nobody would question our hair anymore. So I encourage everyone, if you be making hidden videos, put them online and let us watch. Create a community. We'll come and follow you. So the next question is, now that somebody has locks, they've come to you, you have installed them, what are like 3 main key products that you advise that somebody starts using when they have microlocs?
Okay, so for me, I would say 2.
Two products.
Yeah, 2 products.
I thought 3 is even already little.
Because I started with just a few products. I was not really a product junkie when I started my lock journey. It was like a free journey for me, because I've all the time had so many products I'm using, and now I got on this journey. I did not waste so much money. So I would say that best the 2 main products you need is shampoo, and then when you get to the stage to use oil, then you start using oil as well. But you only need a shampoo and water, actually, and
to spray your hair.
Okay. But you don't really need a lot of things to do your to maintain your microlocks.
And the oil should be a light oil.
Yeah, light oil to start with, just your scalp, so that you will seal the moisture in your hair
with this after spraying.
Yeah.
Okay, amazing. So I'm also asking for 3 accessories that you think are necessary for having microlocks.
So the 3 accessories that you need, I would say satin bonnet, because satin bonnet will keep your hair from having lint. And also you need a satin pillowcase. If you have, that's good. If you don't, you can use your satin bonnet. And then you need water, as a spray bottle, which is very essential for your hair. And you need a towel.
Okay.
And with the towel, I would say you should get SHETOWEL.
Oh, okay.
Because I've been using SHETOWEL even way back in Ghana.
It's true. I sent you a SHETOWEL back then.
And it really makes my hair after wash really good.
Not at the moment, I'm sold out. Just get a good hair towel to take care of your microlocks. It's part of the lock treatment, right? The romanticizing your microlocks. Actually, we are at the last question, and I want to know this because my hair, my natural hair, never grew past my shoulders when I was in this natural. It was always somewhere here, and when it hit, something would happen, then I would have to trim. Even with the relaxer, it was not happening. So when I got microlocks, and I'd seen so many other videos, I was just hoping, I just said, if my locks hit my shoulder, you know, it would be like, don't talk to me. So what was your you know, goal as a lengthwise for your microlocks?
So my goal for my hair was shoulder length. I wanted to get shoulder length, and now I've gone past my shoulder length.
Amazing.
Which I think I am going all the way to waist length. And I am not stopping till I just I don't know if I'm going to get tired of my hair, because I really like my hair. Especially when I'm done with my retighten, oh my gosh, don't talk to me. My new hair.
And I feel like microlocks have just opened a new perspective for us. I mean, at first you could never imagine your hair is going to go past anything. And now you can say, okay, I think in 7 years, or I think in this I would hit this length, and it just opens up your mind to something new, I feel. So I'm really, really happy that I ever discovered this journey. So make sure you thumbs up this video, you share it with your friends, and let them know about microlocks. And we are still too little for such a topic.
For the community.
For the community, we need to keep growing. So share this video and subscribe if you haven't already, because as you can see, we are at the end of this video. I really enjoyed making this video with you.
Thank you for having me. Thank you guys for having me on the channel. I hope to come back again another time. Don't forget to subscribe.
So let us know where you are in your journey. If you want a part 2, let us know as well. We'll be happy to film a part 2. As you can see, it's easy to just sit down and then make a video. No, it wasn't easy, right?
It wasn't.
It wasn't easy.
It wasn't easy. I keep looking here. I can't look here. It's not easy.
So by the way, if you're at the end, you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and join this community. I'll be bringing more videos. Thank you so much for being here and for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.